Kay Brooks. I'm a famous Vermont realtor, now retired. My neighbor Jensen is filming. Let's see, we planted potatoes.
Yep.
I'm gonna dump this bucket and see if we got anything.
Yes, let's see.
It's a gamble. You never know.
Now, what kind of potatoes?
These are Charlotte.
Charlotte?
Now, look at that.
Oh, yeah, some good
Some
ones.
teeny ones, some big ones.
Look at that.
Now, let's try dumping another one.
Yeah. See, I'm trying to get...
Just
Oh, look at that.
from a little,
Look.
little worms. Look,
Oh, look at all the worms.
they're baby snakes, right?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't get too many.
That's...
Oh,
Hey.
yeah, I did. Look.
Oh, my goodness,
Keep
yes.
going. You don't know what you're going to find.
It's a mystery. So, Steve, when did you plant these?
I wanted to share them with my neighbors.
Yeah.
Last year I tried. I didn't do well. I got no potatoes last year.
No potatoes last year at all?
So I studied on it.
Okay.
I bought a lot of seed potatoes.
What did you do for studying?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Now I'm digging here. These are Charlottes.
Charlottes?
Now I'm digging for Yukon Gold.
Yukon Gold.
Yeah, they're yellow inside.
Yep.
Kind of buttery.
I love those. Those are one of my favorites.
They give you both kinds.
Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that.
Lovely, huh?
Oh, hold that one up. Hold that one up, Steve. I'm going to do a...
Got an even bigger one. Look.
Oh, my good. Look at that. Just hold them right there for a second. Oh, look at those.
So this is to show people how easy it is to grow potatoes.
Yes.
Everyone,
It's not that hard.
Everyone could do it.
Look at this.
If
Right
you had
there.
A sunny fire escape you could go.
Yes,
Yeah.
you could. And a way also that I know is when you can cut up potatoes and just put them in the ground.
Yes. If you have an eye.
Yes, if you have an eye.
I guess, I don't know how much more we need on the video.
Let's just talk about, you know, why you wanted to do
These
this.
are really fresh.
I mean, yes, I'm going to make one tonight. They feel amazing. Now, tell them a couple tips.
Next year, I'm going to mix my soil with straw because I think that gives the potatoes more room to expand.
Yes, I agree.
And they get all the nutrients they need if you have good soil. This is excellent soil.
It is excellent soil. You see the worms.
Yep.
You see the worms, which helps.
Happy worms. Yeah.
Yes. And what else for tips for people when they first start off?
Well, you could buy expensive seed potatoes.
Yeah.
Or you can buy potatoes in the store that are starting to sprout.
Yes.
I don't think you need to buy the expensive.
I don't agree. I agree with you.
Guaranteed disease-free, but I don't think you get a disease from organic potatoes.
No.
And use organic because conventional may have been sprayed to
Yes.
prevent them from sprouting.
Exactly. I think organic, getting your hands in the soil like Steve is right now, is the best way possible. And it also helps our ecosystem. Do you agree, Steve?
So, yeah.
It helps our ecosystem.
When you cook them and they're fresh, they're really good.
Oh my goodness, I know. Now, what's one of your favorite potato dishes?
Well, these Charlottes,
Yeah?
they say that you shouldn't fry them or bake them.
Mm-hmm.
They're waxy. They say they're good for potato salad.
Yes.
Boiling.
Yep.
But I was curious, so I cut it up and I French fried them.
Mm-hmm.
They were delicious.
You French fried them? They were delicious?
It's not true that you shouldn't fry them.
Okay.
You could. I'm sure you could bake them too.
And what about?
These are the Yukon Gold are an all-purpose, all-around potato.
Yeah, you could have them with a million different types of meals.
Right. And they're so solid, you know. You buy them in the store, they're never that hard.
No, they're never
And
that
there's
solid.
really
You can
no
see
skin.
it. Like even if you like knock on it,
Yeah, you can feel it.
Yeah, you can feel it. It's a completely. If I took a potato from upstairs, for example, it would not do the same thing at all.
So you just need to scrub them with a brush. If you have a good vegetable brush, or take the edge of a knife, not like that, but like that.
Yes.
To scrape.
So scrape off.
Underwater, you know.
Yep, clean it with nice water.
Scrape it lightly, really. When you get all the dirt off, you will hardly even see a skin.
Yep.
I think that's enough.
I think we should do some more, because you telling me about your process is what people want to know. So like in this video, we can put it on the computer, and you know, I took video media, but
Really?
yeah, I took video media. And oh, let's see, does Steve have something else? Oh, look at this potato. Now, look at these.
Yeah.
This is what I love.
Those are.
I love this. And you know what? My favorite part also of gardening is when you get your hands in the dirt, when you feel it.
Yeah.
This feels really nice. Really nice. It's very fresh. He even has clovers here. I don't know if anybody knows, but you can eat clovers that are purple.
Right.
And they taste sweet. I don't think a lot of people know that. He also has a lot of mint right here.
Oh yeah, we got mint all over the place.
Mint. My mother has so much mint, but the smell of it.
This
I mean,
is
even.
spearmint, I think.
Is this?
Pretty sure it is.
What does that smell like?
Spearmint to me.
Spearmint. Yeah, that's spearmint. He's got mint.
This one's got some green.
Yep.
Don't eat the green.
You don't eat the green.
This is big enough that you could cut that off.
You know, like
it
what?
Doesn't spread throughout the whole thing.
No.
It's not like mold or something.
No, nothing like that.
But if it gets light on it, that's what causes. I'll take that one myself, so nobody makes a mistake. I'm gonna grab one more bucket if you don't mind.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's grab another bucket, my friend.
Let's see. I don't know if.
Is it this one?
Doesn't look like anything good. Wait, I feel something.
You feel something in that one?
Oh, we got some
There we go.
little ones. But if you can grow potatoes in a tiny bucket like that,
Just a tiny bucket.
anybody can do it.
And you make it, potatoes you can make in so many different ways.
Potato latkes.
Potatoes are one of my favorite things to have.
Yeah, these teeny ones.
I like the tiny ones actually to do like a kind of like a saute in the morning with some onions, some garlic, and have it with eggs. I like the small ones like that, you know. You ever done that before, Steve? Made like hash browns kind of in the morning?
Tiny ones like that.
No. Recycling too. Good using the Dunkin' Donuts bags.
Recycling, yeah.
No, seriously.
I have plenty of those. It's my morning sin. I go and I get a muffin and coffee. I mean, that's over time.
How is that a sin?
Very expensive over time. I mean, it's like, $4.18.
Do you go to? It's so expensive for coffee these days.
It used to be a joke. Do you have a dime for a cup of coffee?
Yeah.
Now you can't say that.
No, you can't. I've got $1 coffee, and it was not good, but it's $1. Let's try another one, Steve. And this is what, our fourth bucket? Fifth?
Let's see. No, it's the third one.
Oh my goodness, look at this. I'm gonna zoom in on them. You just putting your hands throughout the soil. And we can also take out some of the voices too. But look at him.
You know how to edit those?
Yeah, I do.
So if I put it on YouTube, first on a private, channel, so just you get it?
Yeah, so we could edit it on the. I think we need. I'm gonna see if I have the editing material. If not, we can download it.
Hey, maybe we can make a partnership and make this. I didn't know you were trained in that.
Yeah.
Because everyone tells me there's a video of me. I'll send you a link when I have your email address.
Yep.
I've got like 4,000 views or something.
We could do. Do you know how much we could do?
Well, if we get started,
we could make really good money, honestly, on YouTube.
Do you know how to monetize?
We can make our own YouTube channel.
Yeah.
We can get the... Now look at this. There's nothing better than a man from Vermont getting in the dirt for some potatoes.
Right.
There's nothing better than this fresh smell of this soil. Do you agree?
It's great.
It's beautiful.
Oh, shit. Now this bag fell apart.
It's okay. That's okay. I don't need all of those, Steve.
Well, these here are for you.
Oh, no, honey.
They'll last, but don't try to overwinter them, though.
I'm not gonna do that.
You have to store them properly. I never can.
You can't? Maybe I need to get you, I got this really good Tupperware maker. Tupperware? Oh, sorry.
No. Turn that off?
No. You want me to turn it off?
Yeah, because I want to ask you something.
Okay.